Hi, lifestyle lovers. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Erica and my channel is called SE Lifestyle, and it's all about creating a good lifestyle. Part of having a good lifestyle is staying organized. So this is my season of organization. And today's video, I am going to be organizing my kitchen drawers. I have 4 drawers in my kitchen. So right now I am just removing everything from the drawers. And I want to be honest with you, lifestyle lovers. I'm not embarrassed to say that I pretty much have let things get out of hand over the past few months. This is the junk drawer, so when I don't know where to put something, I will just drop it in here. And then over here is where the silverware goes, and there's paper, and there's utensils, just all out of whack. And then over here, I have some of my miscellaneous small appliances. And then in this smaller drawer right here on the corner is where I have like light bulbs and some detachments to the Dyson, but nothing is organized, nothing. So that's pretty much what this video is going to be about. I'm going to be organizing my kitchen drawers. So if you are interested in some organization motivation, then keep watching. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I am going to provide step-by-step instructions on how I organize my drawers. So the first thing that I am doing is removing everything out of the drawer. Moving on to step 2, you want to clean your drawers. So I'm just using some Pine Sol to wipe them down with a microfiber cloth. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so once I'm done cleaning the drawers, then I am going to move on to step 3, and that is to measure the drawers. Now, this step is very important because how would you know what type of organization tools that you need in order to organize without the proper measurements? You may go out and go shopping, get something that's too big or too small, or whatever the case may be. So I'm going to measure both the width and the length of my kitchen drawers, which are pretty large. Now, the next step, lifestyle lovers, you may or may not understand, but it just pretty much worked for me. So basically what I'm going to do is everything that I decided to keep or that I know I need in the kitchen, I'm going to put it back in the drawer. And the reason why I do this, lifestyle lovers, is because now I know what needs to be organized. That way, when I go into the store, I'm not overbuying. I'm not buying a whole bunch of compartments or a whole bunch of items that I don't need. So it's good to do this, and maybe before you go out shopping, you can take a snapshot of your phone. That way you know exactly what type of organization tools to buy, because organization can really be expensive. Okay, lifestyle lovers, moving on to step 5, it's time to shop. Now, I have a specific technique that I use when I start shopping for organization items. I will typically start at the high-end stores first, such as Bed Bath and Beyond. That way, when I go into the discount stores such as Ross and Marshalls, I will know the kind of like the brand name items to look for, and I can tell immediately if I'm getting a deal. Okay, lifestyle lovers, this part of the footage I was in Marshalls, but as you can see, I immediately recognized some of the high-end brands such as Onita and also this brand GS. Those brands were in Bed Bath and Beyond. So that's a good way to pretty much determine that you are purchasing high-end brands that are in some of the high-end stores for a much lower price. Lifestyle lovers, some of the items that I have bought for my drawer organization are these little compartments. I purchased them from Ikea, and if you've seen my recent home decor haul, you probably have already seen these, but I'm going to be using these in today's video, as well as some dividers that I purchased from Amazon, and I've already done my measurements. So just to kind of show you how they fit the space. So it pretty much fits this drawer to a T. So I will separate it like this and then press it down in order to lock it in place. And it pretty much, it moves a little bit, but not much. So this is where I keep the washcloths for the kitchen and the dish towels, and I purchased some new ones, so I'm just gonna go ahead and organize those. Some additional items that I purchased from Ikea is also these trays. It's kind of dusty, so I'm gonna wipe it off, and this one as well, and it fits perfectly in the drawers. That's one of the reasons I just measured it, because it fits perfectly if I decide to use it in this one, or I may use it over here in this one. And I purchased these bins as well, and also this, which is for storing knives or any type of utensils. So these are the items that I'm going to be using for the drawer organization. I may or may not use these. This says fridge and freezer bins, but I don't know if I'm going to use them or not. We'll see. Okay, lifestyle lovers, so now I'm moving on to the last step, which is pretty much organizing the kitchen drawers. Okay, lifestyle lovers, I just want to remind you of what my kitchen drawers look like before the organization project started. Okay, lifestyle lovers, my drawer organization project is complete. All of the items that I use in order to organize my drawers will be linked in the description box. Some of those may be affiliate links. I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you would like to see more organization videos, because I am in my season of organization. As always, continue to be safe, continue to stay encouraged, and I'll see you on the next video, lifestyle lovers. Bye.